Okay, so in this video, we're going to show a demonstration of AIM and Great Plains syncing. The first thing I want to show is an example of the vendor or customer sync. We'll do the vendor, the customer is exactly the same. So if I'm in Great Plains, that is the driver of the vendor record. And if I go under purchasing in Great Plains and go to the vendor records, and I'll pick my very first vendor here. It is a vendor, test vendor 004. And you can see the current address is 22027 Road. And if I look in AIM, again, if I go under financials, and if I go to file maintenance, and under file maintenance, I pick vendors. This is where they're kept in AIM. Same vendor, 004, and the current address is 22027 Road. So if I wanted to change that in Great Plains, because that is the driver, I simply come over here and I make a change. I'll change it to 3303 7 Road, and I will save it, and I will close it. And when I close it, you see this little powered by progress screen come up. That is actually the sync. And so that showed us the sync worked. So now if I come back over to AIM and I look at the vendor record again for this test record 0004, you see that AIM has been updated with the master data information. So that is the first part of the demonstration.
So I'm going to go to the, I'm in the financial module. I'm going to my invoice memo update. I update by date range. Sends them all down. I can pick one or I can pick by date range. So it's kind of up to you how you want to show that. I hit the gear, select update complete. Go to GP. Go to my receivables. Pick my batch. There's that batch that was just done. Select it. There's my matching amount, today's date. And then I just hit post. I hit cancel through here just because I don't need to see these reports. I already know what it's going to do. We're done.
And then I get out of that, I go to invoice update. And drop that down, hit the gear button. Then I go to GP. And I go down here under purchasing to batches. I select the batch that comes through and I post.